Hey guys, how's it going? So I just finished another amazing lunch. Let me get it. Yep, I ate the whole thing. That's what we get to do when we're eating our species appropriate foods. We get to eat until we're comfortably satisfied. So this was amazing. I just wanted to share that we're taking on early signups for our July terrain model diet support group. So if you'd like to join, head over to therawkey.com, and it's only $20 for the entire month. And if you want to learn in the group, so the month is ongoing month to month, but for the entire month, Lauren Whiteman, myself, and Nat Ferris, we share plenty of health promoting information, information that you don't normally hear in most fruitarian and raw food circles. We accept everyone, so even if you still include, maybe some animal products in your diet, or you're still transitioning over to a healthy vegan diet, or even if you're just raw till 4, it doesn't matter, because the principles that we teach in the group, anyone can incorporate into their routine to help build long-lasting, sustainable, healthy habits. So head over to therawkey.com, join our support group for the month. It's so worth it. We even supply you with like a complete recipe guide and a get started type guide. It's like a complete ebook almost, just for joining. So we would love to see you there. The more of us that become, as healthy as possible, the better, everything becomes, because food is mood, and the way we treat others and all the decisions that we make and every choice we make has to do first and foremost with how we feel. So it's so important to just focus on yourself. It's not selfish at all. In fact, it's one of the least selfish things you can do, because when you're feeling good, there's a ripple effect. Everyone's feeling good around you, So let's just get healthy. Let's get healthy. Let's bring ourselves into good health so we can turn this crazy planet into like a healthier, better place to live, Come on, let's do it. Okay.